Welcome. In this training lesson, we will learn how to do a refund transaction where the original receipt is not present. In order to do a refund transaction without the original receipt, the cashier needs to have the blind refund exchange access right. Without this access right, they will not be able to complete this transaction. In order to begin the blind refund exchange transaction, press F3. If it is a refund, select the refund option with your arrow keys and press enter. On the refund user authentication screen, press the escape button to bypass. Note that the mode remains in refund mode. If the user does not have the blind refund access right, upon pressing escape, the mode will revert back to sale mode, which is the default. As the original receipt is not present, the cashier will now need to manually enter the items that are being returned. They can scan the item labels if they have a barcode, or they can physically type in the item number, or they can as well use the search feature to search for the item. In this case, we will press the F10 button to search for the inventory item. Use the arrow keys to select the item that is being refunded and press enter to add it to the transaction. Note, in refund mode, the items that are being returned will have a negative value in the transaction total. This indicates money is to be returned back to the customer. Scan in and enter all items. After all refund items have been entered, press the enter button on a blank transaction line to bring up the payment screen. As the total amount is negative, you can use the arrow keys to issue a credit note or store credit. Press enter on the ST credit button. Note, a credit note issue option is available at the bottom of the screen. This is identical to the earlier refund step with the original transaction present. The amount for the credit note should be negative, and you can enter the customer name. If you do not wish to enter the credit note or to exit out of the screen, press the escape button. If you wish to exit out still further, press escape once more. You will now return back to the original screen. To come back to the payment screen, press enter. In this transaction, let us say that the amount to be refunded is going to be in cash. Use the arrow keys to select the cash amount and press enter. Press enter again to apply the $2.15 refund on the cash transaction type. Press the end button on your keyboard when the transaction is complete. The receipt will now print and the cash drawer will open. This completes the lesson on how to do a refund transaction without the original receipt present. Thank you. Goodbye.